If you're using Claude for marketing, you probably would have done this. You would have come to Claude and you would have just given it an idea of what you do, and then you can tell it to write you maybe content ideas, Instagram posts, sales pages, and stuffs like that. And Claude is going to try and give you a decent output. In fact, it does a very good job. But let's say you want to build a brand voice and you want to just come to Claude and you tell it what to do, and it will remember exactly all the things that you've given it to do before, and it's going to create what you want it to create in that tone and that style and that voice using the exact writing style or offer style that you want. You are going to get better results across all forms of your marketing. So again, if I come to Claude and I give it this example business that I'm doing, and this is basically a ceramic homeware brand, and this brand sells mugs, plates, and stuffs like that. So if I tell it to just help me write 5 headlines and sub headlines that focuses on some stuffs like that, it's going to instantly give me some answers. So here you can see that it gives me very good information or answers. But let's say tomorrow I come and I open a new chat, but I still want to do the same thing or different thing about my business, it will struggle to actually maintain that consistency. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use Claude for free to create a brand voice. So Claude is going to understand everything that you want it to understand, and it is going to consistently output in the tone that you want. So the way to do this is very simple. So again, I have a test product here that I want to use. So I want to come back to Claude, and here if you click on this project here, what you want to do is that you want to create a project for your business. So Claude using this project is going to work specifically based on the information and the instructions that you give it. So if you come to the project here, if you're on the free plan like I am in this case, you can create up to 5 projects, which would be enough for your marketing. So if you come to the new project here, you are going to give it a name. So let's say I'm just going to call it Clay and Co. In this case, let's say Clay and Co. Marketing. So you can give a description of what this project is going to do for you, but that's not very important. You now come here, you click on create. So this product or this project is going to focus solely on what we want it to focus on. So if you come right here, you want to give it an instruction. This instruction is the most important thing, and it is going to do the bulk of the job for us. So I have this instruction prompt here that I've specifically written for this project. So I'm going to copy this instruction, and then I'm going to come back to the project here, and then I'm going to paste these instructions here. So everything I do inside of this chart is going to follow this instruction. So we are going to save that instruction, and then we want to come here where we have the files. This is where we can upload all the information we have our business, the different documentations like our SOPs, brand tone, brand colors, the kind of words you use, product information, and all of that. So if you come here, click on this plus sign, you can upload them directly from your device. So here I have some test document that I've created, and as you can see, this document contains the business SOP, contains the brand voice, it contains the audience profile, and it contains the offer objections. It can contain a whole lot of things, and then you can just import all of these files. So Claude is going to use this information we have here and then use its own brain to create everything that we want it to create. So when we do that, it's going to give us better output than the initial one that we did. So now we have all our instruction. I want to make sure that everything we want to do around this business, we want to do it under this project called play and co-marketing. So let's test it. So I can now come here, come back to this prompt that I have again. I can copy this prompt. I will come back to the project again to find all your projects. You come to projects. This is the project we just created. You click on the project, and then we are going to have a separate chat interface for this. And then you paste our instruction right here. You can see it's going to work with this instruction and work with this file. So it's going to draw everything from here. So you can come here, click on go, and it's now going to write better refined copies for us. And you can use this for basically anything that you want. So as you can see, it picks out the particular product by the name because this product name is there in the information that we provided, and you can see what it writes about it using the tone that we want. So you can basically come to this project, tell it to do anything for you. So we can come back here. Let's say we want to generate an Instagram caption or anything at all. So let's use Instagram caption. It can be a Facebook reel, it can be a Facebook advert, it can be Google adverts, any form of marketing that you want to do. You can just come back to this very project, just give it the instruction, and then it's going to write very tailored professional copies using your brand voice. So this is basically how you can use Claude to create a brand voice. So as you can see, it adapts this for Instagram and it uses it in the way that we really want, which is much better for us.